Ndewono, aha m bụ Nwaada Chioma. Tata anyị ga-ekwu maka atụmatụ okwu. We all know that atụmatụ okwu is figures of speech. N'isiokwu anyị nke tata, anyị ga-ekwu maka atụmatụ okwu a na-akpọ myiri. Myiri. Myiri means simile or simile. I don't know, whatever you call it, but that's myiri. Myiri bụ otu n'ime atụmatụ okwu enwere n'asụsụ Igbo. Myiri bụ ihe eji atụnyere okwu n'asụsụ. Myiri na-egosipụta na ihe yiri ibe ya na ihe dịka ibe ya, mana ọ bụghị na ihe abụọ ahụ eji atụnyere ibe ha bụ otu kpọmkwem. So the two of them are alike, but they are not the same. It looks like, but it is not the same. Okwu eji myiri n'asụsụ Igbo. Okwu eji enweta myiri n'asụsụ Igbo bụ dịka ma ọ bụ ka. So in Igbo language, the myiri that is being used are dịka or ka. Ọmụmaatụ ụfọdụ bụ ndị a: Chioma dịka mami water. Chioma dịka mami water. It means Chioma is like mami water. And the Igbos know mami water as a creature that is very beautiful. So when they say somebody is like mami water, Chioma dịka mami water, it means that Chioma is very beautiful. Number 2, Emeka na-agba ọsọ ka agwọ. Emeka na-agba ọsọ ka agwọ. So we all know that the snake runs very fast. You look at it here, before you open your eye, it has gone to another place. You don't even see it sometimes. So that's why it means that Emeka runs very fast like a snake. Emeka na-agba ọsọ ka agwọ. Then number 3, we have Chijioke dị imi ka ndị Fulani. Chijioke dị imi ka ndị Fulani. We all know that Fulani people used to have pointed nose. So when they say that his nose is like that of the Fulani people, it means that he has a very fine pointed nose. Number 4, ọ dị isi ka ogbe aki oyibo. Ọ dị isi ka ogbe aki oyibo. It means that his head is like the head of a coconut. His head, that means that his head is very strong. Of a coconut, yes, his head is very strong. He has a strong head. Ọ dị isi ka ogbe aki oyibo. Number 5, Uchenna na-asapụta ire ka agwọ. Uchenna na-asapụta ire ka agwọ. Uchenna brings out his or her mouth, like her tongue, like a snake. You know the snake is always doing. So when a child is always, they'll be like, nwa na-asapụta ire ka agwọ. Number 6, nwaada ahụ jọrọ njọ ka udele. Nwaada ahụ jọrọ njọ ka udele. That lady is as ugly as a vulture. In Igbo land, we know that a vulture is very ugly. A vulture is known as a very ugly and smelling animal. So that's what they are saying, that lady is very bad, is very ugly. Means that mostly her character is not something to write home about. The next one is nwoke ahụ na-ebe akwa ka ehi. Nwoke ahụ na-ebe akwa ka ehi. That man cries like ehi is cow. Ehi is cow, yes. That man cries like a cow. That means he cries like whoa, 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 whoa. That means ọ na-ebe akwa ka ehi. He cries like a cow. Then the next one, ụwa zuru ike na-arị elu ka enwe. Ụwa zuru ike na-arị elu ka enwe. Ụwa zuru ike climbs like a monkey. We know that monkeys used to climb trees. They used to climb, jump, and come down very fast. So it means that ụwa zuru ike climbs a tree like a monkey. Then the next, nwaanyị ahụ dị ka ụsụ. Nwaanyị ahụ dị ka ụsụ. That woman is like a bat. No, the bat is it's like one ugly animal. People don't see it most of the time. So nwaanyị ahụ dị ka ụsụ. Nwaanyị ahụ dị ka ụsụ. That woman is like a bat. So this is all. That is all about the Myiri. That is simile in Igbo language. You can use dika or ka to show that something looks like or it's like, but both of them are exactly not the same. Thank you so much for sticking up to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe. Emesia, Kodibazia.